guys, my name is Tanishka and welcome to my YouTube channel. It feels very awkward to say this, but yeah, I'm doing it for the very first time. Please show some love, comment, like, and share. Please subscribe below, it'll mean a lot to me. Okay, so let's start with the Q&A, which I posted it on Instagram, and you guys have a lot of questions. My DM is filled with all the questions, so let's answer them. Okay, so the first one is what is your flying base? So my base is Delhi, and yeah, that's my base. Okay, next one is which is better, cadet or conventional way of becoming a pilot? So that totally depends on your budget. Cadet way is bit expensive, but it also assures you job guarantee. Whereas conventional, it doesn't assure you the job guarantee, but it is cheaper than cadet. The next is, which is the most asked question. Which way did I choose, cadet or conventional? So, guys, I chose conventional way. I did my own flying, my own type rating, and then I went for the job interview and the written exam, and then I got selected. Okay, have you ever visited to Surat, Gujarat? Yes, I have. Next is PCB side से pilot बन सकते हैं. Yes, you can, but you have to give the maths exam from the open board. But now there have been some changes for the DGCA regulation. Probably they'll change that. But abhi hua nahi hai change. Till then, yes, you have to give the open board exam and then you can. Will there be vacancies for conventional pilots? Yes, there will be vacancies. You can check on the Indigo site and Air India site. There are a lot of planes and there are a lot of orders which are still yet to be delivered. So they will need a lot of pilots. So, yes. At what age do you get your job? So, I got my job when I was 23. Yeah. How many sectors on average do you operate in a day and usually what part of the country? So it's not specific part, but the max we can operate is 4 sectors in a day. Then the next is where did you do your flying from, ma'am? Big fan. Thank you so much. I did my flying from USA, Florida, to fly airborne. What is your favorite place in India, ma'am? So my favorite place is the northeast side. Like I loved that part of the country, and even to fly there, it's very pretty. Best ground school. Oh, that's a very nice question. Stay tuned for that. You'll get the answer very soon. Is it really hard to get a job as a pilot? So, yes, you do have to study hard, and as it is a very responsible job, it is tough, but it's not, nothing is impossible. If you'll study hard, you'll get the job. Which one is better option? I already answered for the same. Hi, ma'am. How are you? And which you like most during flying, takeoff or landing? Hi, I'm good. How are you? And I do love landings more. Have you met any celebrity or cricketer in your flight? Yeah, I met a lot of cricketers. I had a layover and the Kolkata Knight Rider team was there. So I met a lot of them. So yeah, I've met. How long did it take for you to start of your training till you get a job? So for me, it took almost 2.5 years, but it depends on like person to person which flying school you are choosing, if there is vacancy for job or not. So because as I said, I opted for the conventional route. So I had to wait for the vacancy to come out and then I applied for the vacancy. So yeah. Have you ever landed in Raipur? Yes, I have landed in Raipur. Sister, is the job guaranteed in cadet program? I see the completed cadets and yet to get. Yeah, the job is guaranteed in cadet program as you do sign a LOI, but it also depends on your performance. So yes, the job is guaranteed. Okay, then Favorite thing to do. Okay, favorite thing, flying is one of them, obviously. But apart from that, I like to spend time with my dog and with my family, obviously, and to travel. Like, yeah, that's my favorite thing to do. That is something I cannot live without. From which institute you did your type rating? I did my type rating from Tunisia, ATCT. Mhm. Okay. How to clear navigation in the first attempt? The only thing you can do is study and solve a lot of questions and do a lot of sample papers that will help you build the code. Then describe your full pilot journey, how you became a pilot, please. I'll make a separate video for that. That'll be a huge video. So I'll make a separate video for that. And probably the next one, how are layovers, international layovers with Indigo? They're very nice, quite nice. अभी तक कितनी countries घूम चुके हो? I think around 13, 14 till now. What's your subject combination in your class 12th? Please reply. So I had PCMB. How do you maintain your diet and fitness during traveling? Oh, that's a very nice question. So the only thing you can do is ghar ka khana. If you're flying, please take ghar ka khana. That's the best thing you can do. And fitness, whenever I get time, I do hit the gym. And I mean, it depends. If I'm not tired, I do. But yeah, that's the only thing. To eat ghar ka khana as much as you can. Mm. Could you please share what was the motivation for you when you were in your pilot journey of becoming a pilot? So, my motivation was mainly the uniform to make my parents proud and to take them into my flight, which I already did, and it was the best feeling in the world. And yeah, I mean, to give them the smile they deserve and they're waiting for, and they work so hard for like they work so hard so that they can see that. So yeah, that's the only thing that kept me motivated. Okay, so with that, that's the end of the Q&A. There were a lot of questions. You can still DM me or I'll make more series of the same. And if you liked it, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe. It's my very first video. Show some love. We'll make series of the same Q&A. And I'll probably try making the next video of my pilot journey. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.